You can see our hotel is not a typical hotel building, as we have two long corridors from one side to the other side of the palace. All the rooms which is facing to the corridor is the standard room categories called Matild and Deluxe Rooms. And of course we have higher categories like which showing to the Danube and also to the other side where we have a one bedroom suite, and the fifth floor as you are staying is a bit different.
Fifth floor,
it's our loft floor. Altogether there we have 14 rooms, and you also already had the experience how the design is different and also the experience is a bit different as well.
Okay, which room?
Now we are going to one of the standard rooms. In lower floors, the ceiling is very high, it's 4.5 meters. But as you are saying, the fifth floor, it's actually, it has also a story why the fifth floor is looking like that. Because Maria Clotilde rented out for free for artists, mostly for painters. So they made the paintings on that floor. So that's why we wanted to keep this artistic feeling there.
Design is good. Who is taking design?
It's MKV. It's a British award-winning company, and Maria Vasilavi made it. It's a Greek lady.
So Aqua di Parma, new collection.
The whole hotel style is Art Deco. And you have a little spa in your bathroom. So actually it's as a destination authority hotel, our destination is the royalty of Hungary, and of course in the bathroom is for the thermal bath experience, and also the inspiration is coming from that. And also, as you know, that we have the most thermal springs in the city, so that's why we're having this kind of theme. And this is actually a Matild room. It's a bit bigger than the Deluxe room. The Deluxe room is starting at 30, and this room's around 35 square meters.
Beautiful.
The design is full Art Deco, as I mentioned, and as you can see, the turquoise is our main color, which representing the Hungarian waters, and also this was the royal color of Hungary in the past. And some of the room has this really nice sofa beds which can be pulled out, so it can be a pull-out sofa for the third person. It's a double glass window, so there are no noise from outside, and the setup in the all rooms are the same. So you can find many Hungarian themes in this kind of rooms, like with the handboard, which is handcrafted and have old Hungarian motifs. The pillow, which is also the flower motif, is really in the Hungarian culture as well.